Stop wasting money on expensive creams that only sit on the surface of your skin. A $300 serum can't penetrate past the outermost layer of dead cells. To truly stop aging in its tracks, you need to architect dermal resilience from the cellular level. Today, we're revealing 8 rare trace minerals that act as the precise enzymatic triggers for collagen synthesis. Minerals your dermatologist has never mentioned. These are the structural architects that work where creams cannot reach. 90% of luxury creams never penetrate the basement membrane where collagen is actually manufactured. They're designed to make your skin feel good, not to rebuild it. The real revolution is happening inside your cells, and it requires minerals so rare, most people are critically deficient. Recent studies in Nutricosmetics have proven that true skin elasticity depends on internal mineral bioavailability, not external hydration. Your fibroblast cells require specific trace minerals to function. Without these catalysts, collagen production drops by up to 78% after age 30. The bioavailability crisis is real. Modern agricultural soils are depleted of trace minerals by up to 87% compared to 1950. Your food no longer contains the elemental building blocks your skin needs. This is why the shift toward Nutricosmetics, internal skin architecture, is exploding in 2025. The answer lies in 8 specific trace minerals that most dermatologists have never heard of. Before we reveal them, make sure you're subscribed. This information could save you thousands on useless products. Now, let's start with the foundation. Mineral number 1 and 2 work as a team: copper and manganese. These are the master keys that unlock lysyl oxidase, the enzyme responsible for cross-linking collagen strands. Think of collagen like individual threads. Without copper and manganese, those threads remain weak and disconnected. When lysyl oxidase activates, it braids these threads into an unbreakable triple helix structure, the foundation of youthful, resilient skin. Copper deficiency reduces cross-linking by 62%. The optimal ratio? 3 milligrams of copper to 5 milligrams of manganese daily. Mineral number 3 is germanium 132. This trace element enhances cellular oxygenation by up to 43% while neutralizing the oxidative stress that dissolves your skin matrix. It acts as a cellular shield, protecting newly formed collagen from immediate degradation by UV light. Mineral number 4, boron. This overlooked element regulates hormones that signal your fibroblast cells to keep producing youthful proteins. It reduced inflammatory cytokines by 47% in clinical trials. This is the biological prevention of inflammaging, the chronic inflammation that accelerates aging. We're halfway there. You've discovered the enzymatic keys and the cellular shields, but the next 4 minerals determine whether these benefits actually reach your skin cells or get wasted. Drop a yes in the comments if you're still with me. Mineral number 5, molybdenum. This unsung catalyst prevents heavy metal accumulation that would otherwise block mineral transport. It is the gatekeeper ensuring minerals reach your skin instead of being filtered out. Deficiency reduces absorption efficiency by 58%. Mineral number 6, silica, specifically orthosilicic acid. It strengthens the connective tissue holding collagen fibers in place and enhances the transport of other minerals. Studies found it increased skin elasticity by 19% and reduced micro-wrinkle depth by 31% in 20 weeks. Mineral number 7, zinc. It regulates matrix metalloproteinases, the enzymes that break down damaged collagen. Without zinc, your skin holds onto degraded proteins, creating a saggy appearance. Zinc reduces these breakdown enzymes by 41% while increasing synthesis by 36%. Mineral number 8, selenium. This guardian activates glutathione peroxidase, preventing the process that makes cell membranes rigid and aged. It also regulates thyroid hormones that control your skin's cellular turnover rate. Zinc and selenium together create a biological force field around your collagen. Timing is everything. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your skin enters deep repair mode. Growth hormone levels surge by up to 400%. This is the window when your fibroblasts are hungriest for the raw materials we've discussed. Circadian timing is the key to your investment. Take copper, manganese, and germanium in the morning with fat. Take silica, molybdenum, and boron at midday. Finally, take zinc and selenium 1 hour before bed on an empty stomach. This ensures minerals reach your dermis exactly when the cellular machinery is primed. Architecting dermal resilience is a long game. Replace depleted foods with dense sources like oysters and pumpkin seeds. Avoid absorption antagonists like coffee tannins. Test your levels and start providing your cells with what they crave. I read every comment. Let me know which mineral surprised you. Stay healthy.